Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Do what you can, with what you have, where you are. The great thing in this world is not so much where we are, but in what direction we are going. Learning is a weightless treasure you can always carry easily. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass but about learning to dance in the rain. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Believe you can, and you're halfway there.
The university offers scholarships to help students with financial need.
Computer failure is not an excuse for not submitting assignments on time. To start your visit, I'm just going to give you a brief account of the history of the museum. Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late. Please note, the proposal submission deadline has been extended. The trial experiment is to increase the interests of the issue in the jurisdiction clause. Marks will be awarded for a bibliography in the correct format. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. The tutorial rooms are located along the left-hand side. Mobile phone chargers vary enormously from one place to another. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday.
The teacher asked the group to commence the task. There is clearly a need for further research in this field. Understanding how to use the library will save your time. You need to hand in the essay next semester. This course can help to deepen your appreciation of art. The posters are on display at the larger lecture theater. You will need to purchase an academic gown before the commencement. Good nutrition is crucial to the general health and vitality. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience. The toughest part of research for postgraduate students is funding. The school's summer programs help students to accelerate their studies. Interpreters are not readily available in this department. The verdict depends on which side was more convincing to the jury. The U.S. ranks 22nd in foreign aid, given it as a percentage of GDP. To understand its entity, we need to go back to its origin. The rising temperature is changing the wildlife population. The theater courses are encouraging students to access creativity. The railway makes long-distance travel possible for everyone. The tutor is there for help, so do ask if you don't understand anything. Chapter 1 provides the historical background to the topic.
The first draft of the presentation is almost ready. All old university buildings are still in use. The author expressed an idea that modern readers invariably cannot accept.
Make sure the financial director knows the full details of the pay agreement. The new hypothesis needs to be tested with a new controlled experiment. She has been in the library for a long time. "39.5% California residents don't speak English at home."